In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up and create a Pipedrive CRM account in just 5 minutes. If managing your sales process more efficiently is on your to-do list, Pipedrive might just be your new best friend. Let's dive in and get you started with a new account. First things first, you're going to want to head over to the Pipedrive website. Simply type in Pipedrive CRM in your search bar, or you can directly navigate to their homepage using any browser of your choice. Once there, you'll be greeted with a clean, intuitive interface that Pipedrive is known for, setting the stage for an easy sign-up process. Next, you're going to look for the option to try Pipedrive for free. This is generally highlighted as a call to action on the homepage. Don't worry, this free trial will give you access to all the features you need to get a feel for what Pipedrive has to offer. Once you find the Try It button, go ahead and click on it. This will guide you to the sign-up page where you can begin your 3-step registration process. At this point, you'll be presented with a choice: either continue with your email address or use your Google account for a quicker setup. If you prefer not to create a new password or username, using the Google option can save you time and effort since it links directly to your existing account details. However, using an email address is just as effective if you prefer to keep things separate. Should you decide to use your email for registration, after clicking Continue with Email, you'll be prompted to input some basic details. This typically includes your name, email address, and the password for your new Pipedrive account. Be sure to choose a strong password to protect your account's security. If you're opting for Google, be prepared to grant Pipedrive access to some basic information from your Google profile. But don't worry. This is a secure process and very standard for many apps and services. With your details entered and confirmed, you will now either click Create to finalize the process, or in the case of using Google, the setup will be automatically completed. In moments, you'll be introduced to your new Pipedrive account. From here, you can begin exploring its features, like customizing your sales pipeline, entering your first set of deals, or even integrating other apps you use into this robust CRM tool. And just like that, you've set up your own Pipedrive CRM account. Thank you for following along today. Enjoy organizing and optimizing your sales process with Pipedrive's easy-to-use interface. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. See you next time.